Okay, y'all, so this is my first time getting my face done, my makeup done by the queen, LaLa. And she asked me for the sleepover that I had for the girls, but I wasn't ready then, so I told her I'll do it today.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah.
You're so sweet.
Thank you, LaLa. You're so sweet, too.
Like, I'm not gonna mess with her edges.
Oh, she said she's not gonna mess with my edges. And it's totally fine if you do. I'll just redo them. I forgot I was getting my makeup done. I shouldn't have did.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, you definitely have to blend my neck too. Good job. Well, come on, you gotta finish blending it all in.
Oh, yeah, right.
Paint my face. Go ahead. There we go. Work it all the way in. Don't be shy.
I'm not shy.
Press hard. Oh, you're not shy. So this is one of my sweet girls, and I get her some Tuesdays, and we hang out. So we went to, where we went today? You tell the people where we went.
It was like Golden Corral. Golden
Corral. And tell everybody why you laughed at me when I
Because you turned and go trying to eat a dog.
Yeah, I told her that I had to hurry up and get my son Elijah from school. So even though we're at Golden Corral, we got to eat fast. So I told her we got to eat like animals and she have to eat like a dog. She thought that was hilarious. And she even laughed at me when I told her I was finished. I was finished eating. Why you was laughing? Because I only had that little food. I had a salad and a plate of food.
Yeah, rice, whole rice with corn.
Yep, I had rice, corn, chicken, and a salad.
I think it's still left in the corn. He's telling me that it's still left in the corn.
Yeah, I mean, it was good. I'm so used to Edison's cooking that, you know, other people's food not as good sometimes.
Yeah.
And spray some more. Alright. Now we're gonna blot that in. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna have to go take some pictures. Ooh, Mr. Edison gonna love this. Ooh, he gonna have to kiss my face.
And the good is your chin.
Huh?
Your chin.
I appreciate it. She be fucking my head up, y'all. All right, what's next?
Concealer.
Concealer.
It's too hard to.
You're doing a good job. So you told me you had something going on this weekend, huh?
Just make brownies. That's a good idea.
Who made brownies?
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
And could you do the Christmas cookies?
Oh.
Professional.
Oh, okay.
I mean, when you're going to probably eat a chicken have hairs on it.
Yeah, so what she's saying is when we went to Golden Corral, I had chicken with hairs on it.
Did you have hairs on it?
Whoever was fixing the food, it looks like something from a man's beard or mustache.
Oh.
Yeah, it wasn't my hair. I had a hat on and my ponytail in the back, as y'all could see. It was definitely a piece of man's hair.
Was it a man's hair?
It was in the first piece of chicken that I grabbed.
It was cute on you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, you're a great makeup artist.
Can you come further, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me leave the camera alone so you can do your work. Yeah, I put that chicken right on and let the lady know that there was hair in here. Very nasty and unsanitary. But the rest of the food was good. Oh, well, you went for your birthday too.
I took a girl, I was like 16, I was crying.
Oh.
Because it makes me happy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. I just look like touching off. I'm not good at the brows. I'm not good at it.
Oh, okay. She said you're not good at brows. You know your lane, girl. Brows take me forever, so
I'm not good
this
at
is almost gone. I gotta get some more. But anyway, yeah, I don't think no more in here, y'all.
brow tips, like stay in place.
Yes, so your brows can stay in place. Okay, what's next? Eyeshadow?
Just like after.
I like this Watch Me Blush palette. I think it's supposed to be blush.
What's your favorite color?
I actually like this one, Cappuccino. Y'all don't mind my floors. I'm in my salon, but we're doing the floors. So.
Alright, what do you think?
Ooh, gorgeous. I love it, LaLa. Love it.
Yeah, I can put that in the crease.
What you want to put in my crease?
Guys, what's the favorite part? It just looks like, is that a banana? It's like,
You want to try that one? Or
it's
no?
not good.
All right. She gonna work some a miracle in my crease. Make it easier to blend when you do that. Ooh, look at you. I might have to go on a date. You think Mr. Edison won't go on a date? All right, now what's next?
Just like an eyeshadow.
Maybe this green.
That's an aqua.
Yes, that is an aqua green, but I'm thinking when you put it on, it may be a little.
I think it's green.
Yeah, it came out the same color as my shirts. Yes. Yes. Look, guys. Look how cute that is. Girl. So, yes, I love this. So, what we got to do? We done?
Okay. Let's go on you. Mascara.
Mascara. You know how to do mascara? I'm gonna try. You're good. All right. Good. I think that is good and natural looking. Thanks, guys, for watching.
Inside. That's the green.
Aw, say it again. She's so sweet, y'all.
There's a beautiful inside. That's the green.
She said I'm beautiful inside. So can I tell you the same thing? You're beautiful inside too. And you're such a queen. Oh wait, I'm gonna get makeup on your.
Yeah.
I got a little makeup on her, but yeah, hopefully it comes off.
Yeah, I think that's that.
All right, let's tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Bye, and thanks for watching.